Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Off-Road Outlaws. And in this episode we are going to be doing the bus build. And I guess we'll go and pick it up and start a building on it. Okay, we'll start out at upgrades and we'll do a diesel swap on it. Max it out. Turbo. Okay, that all boring stuff done. Now we're gonna make this thing unbelievably huge. We're not gonna worry about dualies. Travel, spring brackets, shock size, 1.8, shocks, 1, base spring. Okay. Axis width all the way, base spring all the way, shocks, 1, shock size, 1.8, spring bracket upper mount, and travel. Okay, so all that stuff done, we're gonna make the rear stiffness just a little bit bigger. Okay, we're gonna go to wheels and tires. Rim size, you do not like big rims, so we're gonna make it pretty small. I'll find some of you guys that like big rims, but I don't like it. Okay, so that's it for that. Now we're gonna go to customization. Have a good bumper for that. Have good roof light. We'll do that one. Snorkel. We're not gonna do horns. We're not gonna do a spare wheel. Exhaust pipe. Only gonna do a single stack. A winch. And front light. Nah. Headlights. We'll do blue. You're not gonna do a gun rack. We'll do a repair pack. Rims. I like these rims right here for big tires. I think they're pretty cool. Rim color. I'm gonna do black like I do on everything else. I like it. And we'll apply those mods. Oh, we'll change the tires. Thinking of these things. Yeah, those will work.
Recording? Here, I'll take Sage because she's not gonna be bugging you.
I don't know if I want to make it any other color. Yellow. Huh. We can make like a gel bus. Nah. Blue. No. Black. No. I know we'll stick with orange. It's fine. We'll apply those anyways. I don't know if we did any other things on it. Okay, I guess we'll test this thing out. I know where we're gonna go. Big tire challenge. Hopefully it'll load. Lately my phone's been garbage, so. Oh, come on. Sorry for the inconvenience. Thing. Okay. This part you guys might as well skip through if it ever loads, so you guys go ahead and skip through. I've had this happen before.
Play a game. Take my cat. Your cat? Ain't yours.
Yeah.
I got my rock bouncer. I'm getting upgraded now.
In case you guys are wondering if you can hear that noise, I have a little 2-week-old kitten. That won't leave me alone.
Yeah, you're the one that's taking it. Why are you lying?
This is mine. Okay guys, I guess I'm gonna have to cancel. We'll just go and test out. I'll make a video of it in the big tire eventually when I can figure out what the heck's going on with my internet problem, or my computer problem game. We'll just go out and test it in the desert. Now we'll do desert. I don't know why custom maps ain't working. That's kind of weird. May as well pick up that box. A little bouncy.
Whoever left their hoodie laying right in the middle of the freaking floor out here. Come get it.
Yeah, it's got plenty of power. Not a lot of power, but it's alright. Oh, there's a box, but I ain't gonna worry about it. I could, but I ain't gonna worry about it. Yeah, it's a little tippy. We'll use this to get up at least this part. Climbed that part alright. Well, it does alright. Pretty good for a big vehicle. We'll go try and test out the big tire one more time. If it don't work, then I'll figure it out and do a video of that. Sorry about that. That's my ringtone. I got text. Sorry. Well,
He's not sorry.
anyway, that's your bus build. I'm sorry we couldn't do the big tire, but oh well. So if you guys would comment, rate, and subscribe, that would be helpful and awesome. And I'll see you guys later.